5 health benefits of turmeric. Some of the most important health benefits of turmeric include its ability to heal wounds, protect cognitive abilities, ease menstrual difficulties, reduce inflammation, eliminate depression, alleviate pain, slow the aging process, protect the digestive tract, and prevent cancer. Closely related to other members of ginger family, turmeric is a perennial herb that is native to India and has the scientific name of Curcuma longa. The herb itself is derived from the rhizome of the plant, which is dried before the useful powdered form can be acquired. Anti-inflammatory capacity. One of the most well-known applications of turmeric is an anti-inflammatory agent. The active ingredient in turmeric are extensive, but a particularly crucial compound is curcumin. This substance has received considerable attention in the medical community due to its potent anti-inflammatory abilities. In fact, the strength of this substance is likened to some of the strongest pharmaceutical options for reducing inflammation. Gastrointestinal issues. Turmeric has long been used as a stomach soother and is particularly useful for constipation, cramping, and irritable bowel syndrome. The anti-inflammatory activity of curcumin also come into play here, as it lowers the chances of developing ulcer, bleeding in the bowel, and generally eliminate irritation throughout the gut. Turmeric is often recommended for patients suffering from inflammatory bowel disease and even more serious conditions such as Crohn's disease. Menstrual issues. If you suffer from severe menstrual discomfort, cramping, bloating, excessive bleeding, or mood swings, turmeric may be precisely what you have been looking for. The anti-inflammatory and soothing nature of the herb natural compound can relieve most symptoms of menstruation. Cystic fibrosis. Although this crippling fatal disease is not discussed as often as cancer or heart disease, this particular condition attacks the lung with thick mucus as well as the pancreas. The curcumin found in turmeric has been shown to correct the protein folding mutation that can cause the development of this deadly disease. Cancer treatment and prevention. It seems that the whole world is searching for a cure of cancer, as well they should be, and turmeric is one of the best herbal approaches to the treatment or prevention of various types of cancers. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant agent that has been directly linked with a reduction in colon cancer cells and is also a direct inhibitor for a protein that is essential for tumor growth. This makes turmeric a wonderful addition to any diet as a preventative measure and as a means of slowing metastasis of cancerous growth.